And then I would actually work around the hairline a little bit. Maybe just about 30 seconds. Once that's finished, I would actually do the same thing on setting 6. It's also helpful when you have a horse with navicular conditions, things of that nature, for pain management.
So these horses go through so much, and the footing sometimes is not good at all. Track conditions can vary, of course, whether there was rain or it's extremely dry, whether they're in Arizona or they're in Florida. The footing changes tremendously. I mean, in a ring, in the bronco world, the rodeo world, or the racetrack world, the footing is always a real big factor in determining how healthy these feet are going to be, and especially how happy they are in terms of having pain. You also end up with a lot of hoof conditions. And one of the best ways to deal with that is to simply grow more hoof, and that's what Jamie's talking about going along this hairline, right along that coronary band. And sometimes it's better just to take the probe off for that. So without the probe, just right along that coronary band and stimulate that blood flow, because this is where the hoof growth takes place. So stimulating all along this band is a really helpful measure to help them grow new hoof or just keep their hoof healthy. And then working on all those pain conditions that she told you about before. A happy horse is going to run better. We have such great reports coming back from our barrel horse runners where they're picking up as much as a second in times. And if you know barrel racing, you know that's money. A second is a lot of time to save. And when we have these barrel racing clinicians like Dina Kirkpatrick telling us about a second pickup in times, these are some very happy barrel racers, and she's one of the top clinicians anywhere. So these are really important aspects. A happy, healthy horse runs better, performs better, lasts longer, and it's important to treat them when they're young to get a more complete healing, because injuries are going to happen, and the more completely they heal from each one, the longer their career can be as well.
Can I add something?
Of course.
I do notice that the horses that are prone to abscesses, and we're talking about hoof growth and things like that, we'll have them use settings 1 and 2, correct, Mark?
Yes.
Okay, so yeah.
And we, of course, want to kick in blue as well.
Yeah, so we'll do settings 1 and 2, and we'll actually do red and blue together for those horses that are also prone to abscesses or do have unhealthy hooves.
Right. And helping to pull that abscess down through the bottom of the hoof can really be important.
Yes.
And resolve it faster as well.
You'll actually want to stimulate and push it through.
Exactly. Yep, absolutely great. Thank you very much, Jamie.
Thank you.